with the acceleration of technology right now and everything from drug device combo to active implantables, the specialization of technologies is accelerating so quickly. And a lot of the big players can't do that in-house.
Right.
And they've got to co-source that. I don't even call it outsource anymore. They've got to co-source that with partners.
Right.
So as I navigate a career, let's first talk about quality again. As I navigate a career in that area, would I get exposure to the big companies if I'm in a contract manufacturer and the small companies in that role, potentially?
Great leading question, actually, because that could be an ideal situation for that individual who's at that crossroads. Do I stay small company so I could get real close to product development process and be part of a real impactful position commercializing a product? Or do I take more of a global approach with a large company? Well, you can do both in a contract situation. And the salaries are coming up, bonuses coming up. There's no equity yet, but as talent is drawn to those companies, there can be a lot of fun there. And I think there's going to be economic sense for an engineer, but growth sense and career development and acceleration going contract.
Yeah, and we've seen it too. We do a lot of work on the contract side, more in the engineering than quality, and the international opportunities are pretty robust. And then the product turn. So you can sit in a contract player and look at anywhere from 5 to 15 new product launches and or iterations over a year.
Yeah, exactly what I was talking about. You get a lot more, at bats or run down the mountain if you're skiing, and that's great because you experience more problems, more therapies, more post-market issues. It's interesting who's going to own the post-market stuff and how that's going to be managed. That'd be an interesting dynamic because the smaller emerging growth companies are going to farm that out, and they might farm out the post-market stuff too. So they're going to turn everything over to the contract manufacturer because they don't have the capacity, but they just want to make it. Design it, make it, sell it. Large companies going to come back and say, "Whoa, well, we own the post-market stuff. We're going to have a little different relationship here." That's going to be an interesting dynamic, and how the contract manufacturer is going to handle that part of the relationship. All the post-market stuff, capital complaints, and then the FDA follow-up, EU MDR. All those dynamics are probably developing right now. Interesting space and a gap for someone to look into in quality systems and quality engineering.
Yeah.